Welcome, fellow travelers of the cosmos, to our deep dive into the most exciting scientific breakthroughs to watch in 2024. Fasten your intellectual seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey to the cutting edge of human ingenuity. From green chemistry, where we're rewriting the rules of chemical reactions, to the rise of AI in research and development, where algorithms are accelerating discoveries at an unprecedented pace, let's explore the trends shaping our future. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open, because the future of science is happening right now. We start with a field as essential as it is often overlooked: chemistry. Chemistry is the foundation of our material world, but it hasn't always been kind to the planet. Enter green chemistry, a revolutionary approach that aims to make chemistry sustainable and environmentally friendly. Imagine a world where chemical processes are designed to minimize waste and pollution, where renewable resources are favored over fossil fuels, and where the very design of molecules considers their environmental impact from the start. That's the promise of green chemistry. In 2024, we're seeing remarkable advancements in this field. Scientists are developing powerful predictive models powered by artificial intelligence that allow them to design greener chemical reactions with incredible precision. Imagine being able to predict with high accuracy the environmental impact of a chemical process before even setting foot in a lab. One of the most significant areas where green chemistry is making waves is in tackling the global plastics problem. Researchers are developing new types of biodegradable plastics that break down naturally in the environment, reducing the burden of plastic waste that plagues our oceans and landfills. But it doesn't stop there. Green chemistry is also revolutionizing battery technology. Scientists are exploring alternative battery chemistries that rely on more abundant and less toxic materials than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Imagine batteries made from sodium, magnesium, or even organic materials. And speaking of lithium-ion batteries, green chemistry is playing a crucial role in developing sustainable methods for recycling these ubiquitous power sources. By recovering valuable metals like lithium, cobalt, and nickel from used batteries, we can reduce our reliance on mining, which often comes with significant environmental and social costs. Catalysts, those molecular matchmakers that speed up chemical reactions, are also getting a green makeover. Scientists are developing new catalysts made from abundant and environmentally benign elements, replacing traditional catalysts that often rely on rare or toxic metals. These breakthroughs in green chemistry represent a paradigm shift in how we interact with the molecular world, paving the way for a more sustainable and environmentally responsible future. Now let's dive into the world of genetic engineering, where CRISPR has emerged as a game changer. CRISPR, short for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, is a revolutionary gene editing tool that allows scientists to make precise changes to DNA. Imagine having the ability to edit the very code of life, correcting genetic defects, enhancing desirable traits, and even potentially curing inherited diseases. That's the extraordinary power of CRISPR. In 2024, we're witnessing a surge in clinical validation for CRISPR-based therapies. The FDA has granted clearances and approvals for several groundbreaking CRISPR treatments, marking a turning point in the field of gene editing. One of the most promising areas of CRISPR application is in treating cancer. Scientists are developing CRISPR-based therapies that can reprogram a patient's immune cells to recognize and attack cancer cells with laser-like precision. Imagine a cancer treatment that harnesses the body's own defense system to eradicate tumors. But CRISPR's therapeutic potential extends far beyond cancer. Scientists are exploring its use in treating a wide range of genetic diseases, from sickle cell anemia to cystic fibrosis. By correcting the underlying genetic mutations that cause these diseases, CRISPR offers hope for long-term cures. CRISPR is also proving to be a powerful tool for early disease diagnosis. Researchers are developing CRISPR-based diagnostic tests that can detect minute amounts of viral or bacterial DNA, enabling rapid and accurate diagnosis of infectious diseases. And it doesn't stop there. Scientists are exploring the use of CRISPR in developing new and improved crops, engineering mosquitoes to combat malaria, and even potentially resurrecting extinct species. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the realm where biology meets engineering. The fascinating world of biomaterials. These aren't your grandma's dentures, mind you. We're talking about materials designed to interact with living systems, repairing, replacing, or even enhancing biological functions. Imagine a world where we can grow organs in a lab, repair damaged nerves with biocompatible scaffolds, or even create artificial tissues that seamlessly integrate with the human body. That's the promise of biomaterials. In 2024, we're seeing an explosion of innovation in this field. Bioelectronic materials, for instance, are blurring the lines between living organisms and electronic devices. These materials can conduct electricity while remaining compatible with living tissues, opening up incredible possibilities for biocompatible sensors, prosthetics, and even brain-computer interfaces. But the wonders of biomaterials don't stop there. Scientists are also making strides in developing natural biomaterials derived from sources like silk, collagen, and chitosan. These materials offer exceptional biocompatibility, biodegradability, and unique mechanical properties, making them ideal for various biomedical applications. And hold on tight, because 3D bioprinting is taking the stage. This revolutionary technology utilizes bioinks, which are essentially cocktails of cells and biomaterials, to fabricate complex 3D structures like tissues and organs. Imagine a future where organ transplantation relies on lab-grown organs printed with a patient's own cells, eliminating the need for organ donors and reducing the risk of rejection. The rise of biomaterials represents a paradigm shift in medicine and beyond, offering a glimpse into a future where biology and engineering work hand in hand to repair, heal, and augment the human body. Chapter 4. Conquering the undruggable medical miracles on the horizon. For decades, certain diseases have been deemed undruggable, their complex mechanisms seemingly impenetrable by traditional drug therapies. But the winds of change are blowing, my friends, as scientists are rewriting the rules of medicine and challenging the very notion of what's considered untreatable. Imagine a world where diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even certain types of cancer, once considered death sentences, are effectively managed or even cured. That's the bold future that advancements in treating the undruggable are painting. In 2024, we're witnessing remarkable progress in tackling these previously insurmountable medical challenges. Immunotherapies, which empower the body's own immune system to fight disease, are leading the charge. Scientists are developing ingenious ways to reprogram immune cells to recognize and target previously invisible enemies, like cancer cells that have developed clever disguises to evade detection. Personalized therapies, tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup and disease profile, are also revolutionizing how we approach treatment. By analyzing a patient's DNA and understanding the specific molecular drivers of their disease, doctors can prescribe treatments with pinpoint accuracy, maximizing effectiveness while minimizing side effects. One of the most exciting frontiers in this medical revolution is the development of targeted protein degraders. These molecular assassins are designed to seek out and destroy specific proteins that play a role in disease, offering a level of precision previously unimaginable. And let's not forget about the incredible strides being made in gene therapy, where scientists are developing ways to replace faulty genes with healthy ones, offering the potential for cures for inherited diseases. Chapter 5, AI, the architect of scientific discovery. Buckle up, everyone, because we're about to enter the age of AI-powered science. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's rapidly becoming an indispensable tool in the hands of researchers across countless disciplines, from drug discovery to environmental research to healthcare. AI is accelerating the pace of discovery and transforming how science is done. Imagine a world where algorithms can analyze massive datasets, identify patterns invisible to the human eye, and generate hypotheses at speeds that would make even the most brilliant minds spin. That's the power of AI in scientific research. In 2024, we're seeing AI make groundbreaking contributions in drug discovery. Machine learning algorithms are sifting through mountains of data, identifying promising drug candidates and predicting their efficacy with remarkable accuracy. This is dramatically accelerating the drug development process, bringing life-saving treatments to patients faster than ever before. But AI's impact extends far beyond the pharmaceutical industry. In environmental research, AI is being used to analyze climate data, predict extreme weather events, and develop strategies for mitigating the effects of climate change. And in healthcare, AI is revolutionizing how diseases are diagnosed, treated, and managed. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images with superhuman accuracy, identifying early signs of disease that might be missed by human radiologists. One of the most celebrated examples of AI in science is AlphaFold, a deep learning system developed by Google DeepMind that has cracked the protein folding problem, a challenge that has puzzled biologists for decades. AlphaFold can predict the three-dimensional structure of proteins with remarkable accuracy, opening up new avenues for understanding diseases and designing new drugs. And let's not forget about the incredible strides being made in therapeutic antibody discovery, where AI is being used to design antibodies that can neutralize viruses, target cancer cells, and modulate the immune system. Chapter 6, To the Moon and Beyond, Humanity's Next Giant Leap. Get ready to blast off, space enthusiasts, because 2024 is shaping up to be a monumental year for space exploration. From returning to the moon with the Artemis program to embarking on ambitious missions to icy moons and distant planets, humanity is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the cosmos. Imagine a future where humans have a permanent presence on the moon, where we mine resources from asteroids and where we send probes to search for signs of life on other worlds. That's the exhilarating future that space exploration is paving the way for. The Artemis program, NASA's ambitious endeavor to return humans to the moon, is gaining momentum. With its powerful Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft, Artemis aims to establish a sustainable presence on the moon, paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. Meanwhile, the Europa Clipper mission is gearing up to explore Jupiter's icy moon Europa, one of the most promising places in our solar system to search for extraterrestrial life. Equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, Europa Clipper will peer beneath Europa's icy shell, searching for evidence of a subsurface ocean that might harbor life. But it's not just the United States that's making waves in space. China's Chang'e 6 mission is set to collect samples from the far side of the moon, a feat never before accomplished, and the Japanese Martian Moons Exploration, or MMX mission, is preparing to rendezvous with Phobos and Deimos, the two moons of Mars, collecting samples and returning them to Earth. These ambitious space missions are not only expanding our understanding of the universe, but also driving innovation here on Earth. From robotics and space medicine to materials science and telecommunications, the technologies developed for space exploration have a remarkable track record of finding applications in our everyday lives. Chapter 7, Ending Cancer. A new era of hope. Let's turn our attention to one of humanity's oldest adversaries, cancer. For far too long, cancer has cast a shadow over countless lives, but the tide is turning. Thanks to groundbreaking advancements in research and treatment, we're entering a new era of hope in the fight against this formidable disease. Imagine a world where cancer is no longer a death sentence, but a manageable condition like heart disease or diabetes. That's the bold vision that's driving researchers and clinicians around the world. Immuno-oncology, a revolutionary approach that harnesses the power of the immune system to fight cancer, is leading the charge. Scientists are developing ingenious ways to unleash the body's own defenses, empowering immune cells to recognize and destroy cancer cells with laser-like precision. One of the most promising areas of immuno-oncology is CAR T-cell therapy, a personalized treatment that involves extracting a patient's T cells, genetically engineering them in the lab to recognize and attack cancer cells, and then infusing them back into the patient. CAR T-cell therapy has shown remarkable success in treating certain types of blood cancers, and clinical trials are underway to evaluate its effectiveness against solid tumors. But the arsenal of weapons against cancer doesn't stop there. Novel therapies like TAC-01HER2, a first-in-class antibody-drug conjugate, are showing promise in treating HER2-positive breast cancer, a particularly aggressive form of the disease, and personalized RNA neoantigen vaccines tailored to an individual's unique tumor mutations are being developed to stimulate a powerful immune response against cancer. the advancements in cancer treatment are nothing short of astonishing, offering renewed hope to patients and their families. With each breakthrough, we move closer to a future where cancer is no longer a feared adversary, but a manageable condition. Chapter 8: Decarbonizing the Future Energy Solutions for a Sustainable World. As we confront the urgent challenge of climate change, the need to transition to clean, sustainable energy sources has never been more critical. The good news is that the world is waking up to this reality, and the race to decarbonize our energy systems is on. Imagine a world powered by renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal, where fossil fuels are relegated to the history books and where the air is clean and the climate is stable. That's the future that decarbonizing energy promises. One of the key challenges in transitioning to a renewable energy future is developing large-scale energy storage solutions. After all, the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow, so we need ways to store energy when it's abundant and release it when it's needed. Fortunately, scientists and engineers are making significant strides in developing advanced battery technologies, pumped hydro storage systems, compressed air energy storage, and other innovative energy storage solutions. These technologies will play a crucial role in enabling the transition to a grid powered primarily by renewable energy sources. But it's not just about renewables. Nuclear power, often overlooked in the clean energy conversation, is experiencing a renaissance. Advanced nuclear reactor designs, such as small modular reactors, or SMRs, and molten salt reactors, or MSRs, offer enhanced safety features, reduced waste generation, and the potential for even greater efficiency. And then there's the holy grail of energy production: nuclear fusion. Fusion, the process that powers the sun, involves fusing light atomic nuclei together to release enormous amounts of energy. Unlike nuclear fission, which powers current nuclear reactors, fusion doesn't produce long-lived radioactive waste, making it an incredibly attractive energy source. The future of science. From the smallest atoms to the vast expanse of space, from the mysteries of the human brain to the urgent need to protect our planet, science continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge and ingenuity. The breakthroughs we've explored today are just a glimpse into the incredible discoveries and innovations that await us in the years to come. Stay tuned to see how these scientific breakthroughs will shape our world in 2024 and beyond. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of scientific exploration, one thing is certain: the future is bright with possibility. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in science and technology. And remember, the cosmos is calling.